Hi, Phil Egan here with Supercool. Today I want to talk to you about two of our 1234YF AC products, and more specifically, I want to talk to you about how to properly install them on your vehicle. The first one you can see here is our 1234YF Total Leak Stop. And the other item we want to talk about is our 1234YF Oil Charge. Now these are both patented bag-on-valve delivery methods, so I want to just kind of take you through the step process of how to install those on the vehicle. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is you want to confirm that your vehicle is a 1234YF AC system. This is critical because the adapter on a 1234YF system is a different size adapter than on our 134A system. Currently in the market, there's still a lot more R134A vehicles than there are 1234YF vehicles. So in order for this product to work, the application hose is specifically for 1234YF system. So very important, confirm that your vehicle is a 1234YF AC system. Secondly, you're going to start your vehicle, you're going to set it on maximum and put it on recirculate. Then you're going to locate the low side service port on your vehicle, and it's usually going to be identified with a blue cap or black cap, which identifies the low pressure side of the system. Now when you do that, this gives you an idea. This is an old GM system, but you can see here is a low side service port. It's going to be different in each vehicle, so check your manuals, find out where it's at in your vehicle, and then that'll give you the correct port to install the product into. You never want to try to install into the high side port, usually identified by a red cap. You don't want to try to install into the high side port. So once we've located it, what we're going to do is then you're going to take your cam and you're going to attach this quick coupler to the low side service port. So it has a sleeve on it. You're going to pull the sleeve back and you're going to slide it on firmly. This should click on. Make sure it's attached firmly to the low side service port. Once you've done that, you can depress the actuator and don't be afraid to give it pressure, okay? Don't be afraid to press down on it. Again, it's a vacuum pack can, so a little bit different delivery method than some of the methods where you use a refrigerant as a propellant. But you're going to begin to see the product flow through here. Some people, you may want to use your thumb, put pressure on it with your thumb, but be sure you give adequate pressure. Don't be afraid that you're going to break it. It's not going to break. You're going to see product flow through the hose and into the system. Once you see that it has quit flowing into the system, at that point you can click this back, disconnect it from the low side service port, and then you're going to get your cap and you're going to attach your cap back onto the low side service port. From there, you're going to let the vehicle run for 20 or 30 minutes. You can either let it sit and run or just do 20 or 30 minutes of normal operation. And then that gives the product time to recirculate and work in your system. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions at all, we're here for you. You can call us at 1-800-541-1068. We appreciate your support of Supercool and hope you have a great day. Thank you.